Hello viewers, welcome to the lecture. So today we are going to see about the introduction and the scope of FEM. In continuation of the previous lecture, today we are going to see about the applications of FEM in various fields of engineering. So let us move into the slides. So here you can see in this slide the FEM is used how the heat flows in the solids and fluids, right? So you can see here this is like, for example, a injector pipe or something like that, right? So how the fluid is flowing and where are the heat that is transferred from one end to another end. So you can see the different colors, right? So from orange to blue. So this orange color shows the high temperature and the blue color shows the low temperature. So this is how the heat conduction can also be analyzed by using the finite element software. And you can see here this is about the analysis of the hydraulics and the water resource engineering. So here the flow of the water can also be analyzed, right? The flow can be analyzed, that is the potential flow, the free surface flow, the viscous flow, right? And also in the dams and structures, the water flows can also be analyzed, how the flow is and what angle the water flows, how the dam should be designed, how the discharge should be done, in what way it can be improved. Likewise, the FEM is used, that is the finite element methods is used in the hydraulics and the water resource engineering. So this is one of the scope, right? And if you see in the electrical machines and electromagnetics, this FEM nowadays are very crucial, because nowadays we run more electric vehicles, right? So these electric vehicles are built with motors. So these motors can there will be a heat flow. That heat flow and also the magnetic flux flow can also be analyzed by using this software. You can see here this slide. So these are the just sample images of the synchronous and the induction machines, right? So there you can do analysis, and the eddy current losses, right, core losses in electrical machines, right, they all can be analyzed by using this FEM software. And this is very much important, because the analysis of the nuclear things, right, in nuclear engineering, the pressure vessels and contaminant structures, right, containment structures, sorry, containment structures can also be analyzed. So you can see here how the what is the pressure, because then in nuclear power plant we use the nuclear energy to convert water into steam, and later on the steam is made to flow over the turbines. That is how we generate electricity in nuclear power plants, right? So this nuclear reactor which has uranium, that by atomic reaction, right, it liberates heat, right? What is the heat liberated, and how it is carried away by the water, and how the water is converted into steam, they all can be analyzed by using this software. So this is another area of the application of the finite element, that is the scope of FEM. And you can see here this is about the geomechanics. So geomechanics is also one of the field in engineering, because this earth crust, nowadays there is a news in the television about the platonic plate, right? I am not sure about the terminology. That plate is nowadays moving, right? The Himalayas is nowadays shifting. So these are all because how they analyze it, they analyze by using this software. So this software tells how, it tells about how the landscapes are, and in what way they are in arranged, and where there is a movement, then it can be analyzed by using this software. So this geomechanics can be a one of the core field in the engineering, that can be analyzed by using the finite element method. So you can analyze the stress analysis of soils, dams, right, machine of hot valves, etc, etc. So they all can be analyzed by using this finite element. So this finite element is not only a mechanical component, right? In civil structures, in electrical field, in biomedical, in automobile, in all the fields of engineering, even in food technology, in all the fields of engineering, this finite element plays a crucial role in the analysis part. So you can also see about the application of finite element methods in the biomedical engineering. So here you can see bones, teeth, and the thing is about the, what we can say, that is the thing that is used to replace the specs, right? So what are they? Islands, right? So they are all having some load, because if you see the teeth, if you bite hard food, what happens? The force is acting over the teeth. So what is the force acting on the teeth can also be measured. And the lens, right? The specs is replaced by lens. So the lens is placed in between the eyes and the eyebrow, right? When there is a load acting because of the fluids that are present in the eyes, so how much pressure is acting upon the eye lens, that can also be analyzed. And in the bones you can see how the bones are behaving, what is the load acting, how the bone can withstand. So all these are type of analysis can be done by using this finite element. So this finite element, if you see, aircrafts we are using, mechanical engineering we are using, nuclear engineering, civil engineering for structures, automobile engineering for aerodynamics, right? So everywhere, biomedical engineering, right? So everywhere, geomechanics. So everywhere we use these finite element methods, right? So this finite element methods is one of the crucial software we use it for engineering to do analysis on structures. So this is what the application of finite elements, and we will see about the concepts in the upcoming videos. Thank you.